I installed Google's anti-gravity CLI on my phone, a device made for consuming videos and social media. I refuse that claim, and like this video if you also refuse the idea that phones are for consuming content only. I have always seen my phone as this sort of portable Pip-Boy alternative, those handheld things from Fallout games. I believe Pip-Boy is the term, never mind. The idea is that I can be in some remote corner of the world, or in the middle of a city with bad internet, and I should be able to get stuff done without slamming my phone on my face. Ooh, my junk, just hit the balls. Point is, Gemini has gotten to the point where its code functions, writing skills, and search abilities are what I'd call decent, but the website takes 1 to 2 MB of data every time it loads. On a bad internet connection, I have faced situations where a quick search could help out, but it just didn't cause the Google site or app just won't load the search result. The idea of installing anti-gravity CLI on my phone is to have access to good AI through the terminal. Termux for Android does support some tools that help in this mission. With Alpine Linux proot I used to use Transshell for translations. I have a few video projects on these Termux setups I have made for using my phone like a builder, so do subscribe to my channel. There's DDGR the terminal, there's the browser which is text-based. But with my current setup I basically have Gemini in a CLI on my phone. Well, you are so far in the video, so let me spout out the way I followed as well. Google isn't making anti-gravity binaries for Termux on Android. Sure, Android has its native Linux CLI now, but AGY binaries for it aren't there. So on GitHub, the account wallentx has set up GitHub Actions to patch the anti-gravity CLI binaries, making it runnable for Termux on Android. First you need your Termux updated and upgraded, then install the glibc repo, then you have to install glibc on the device. About 70 MB of downloads as I remember, only then you can curl the patched binaries, which has a smooth 40 MB installation process, and anti-gravity CLI then just runs. Share this if someone asks you the same question as this video. Now with the tools in place I started chatting and chatting and chatting. Lesson for you is that open AGY in the folder you are coding, not root, cause then it can waste time and tokens reading useless files, and even changing them. At times it may misinterpret what you mean and start changing wrong files. That can cause good chaos, so as a beginner I plan to use it for chatting and learning only, not for any of my GitHub projects. But to be honest, I have rather hyped up feelings about it. The possibilities feel endless. I am trying to think what cool things I can make. Let's see through that over time. Like this video if you think installing AI on Termux was a cool project. Goodbye for now. Subscribe to my channel so we get to meet again on your YouTube screen, and I have a few ideas for what I will build, not full project then just meme projects for the video. Comment below what things you are building. Share your own projects in our subreddit. Well then, goodbye, stay cool.